There's the baby Huey. There's baby Huey. There's baby Rose just running over here. What you talking about? What you talking about? Oh, look at Huey tearing up his bag. What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about? Look at all those puppies over there. Little growlies. Little growlies. Those cute little tushes. You guys have the cutest tushes. Hey there, baby. Hey there, baby. Hey there, baby. Look at little Rose tearing up my purse. Like a little brat she is. Oh, I just found out how to scratch. Who's chewing on my foot? My pant leg. Somebody is. That's little Austin. Chewing on my pant leg. And who's this right here? There goes Tater. She's going to jump in too. Austin's over there getting a drink of water out of the crate. Hello, Rosie. Wyatt's redecorating my purse. What y'all doing? What y'all doing? It's a WrestleMania. WrestleMania. These puppies are so cute. They're 4 weeks old yesterday. 4 weeks old yesterday. So they're all staying in their kennels. I've got 3 crates set up, and they're all kennel trained. They have newspapers in there that they go potty on, and then they come out and they get to go play in the kitchen. And then I have a grueling area where I go gruel them. So they're